Friends, Adobe Express is a huge content creation online AI tool by which we can create so much content. So first we need to sign in by your email ID. So after selecting your email ID, your interface will loads here. So this is the interface. So we are seeing so much content can be created here. So one of the topmost content is YouTube content. So today we are going to edit YouTube thumbnails. When I am selected that YouTube thumbnail creation design, so many pre-designed templates came. So among those I selected one. So I am going to edit that one. So by changing the background color, so now I am changing the background color by choosing custom option. So we can modify your background to any color. So next we can change the text color also, and also we can change the text font style. So whatever desired text, if you want, you can change that to your desired. So pre-existing styles will be there. So we can modify the text background color also here. So like this we can change the opacity also. So next so by term wise, so if you need to edit only one part of the text, so just select the text and you can change the text color and style also. So here one part of the text is part 2, so I changed the color and background color. Now I am editing basics, the word basics color. Next here one image is there. I am replacing that image by clicking on replace option. So here I am choosing one prely downloaded option. So this is the prely downloaded option. I am resizing it. So next here one AI enabled feature is there in this Adobe Express, that is remove background option. So it is an excellent option, AI enabled option. By using that we can remove the background of any image easily, very easily. So look at the image, the total background was removed. So next here the background has two parts. I am changing the remaining part colors so to match the same background. Otherwise you can delete that part. So here I am adding some elements to the thumbnail. So like subscribe element and like elements. So here upload option is there. By clicking on upload option and we can select our desired image. So by resizing it we can place wherever we want. So next one more option, that is the elements option. Design elements will be there. So many design elements will be there. So here I am choosing one design element and I am increased the size. So just I am placing like that. So many design elements will be available. So in the Adobe Express we can use those design elements for your creation. Next one more thing, I am going to add this sun symbol at the back side of human head. So I am increasing the size of the sun effect. So after increasing, so just I am sending it to the back of human head. So just by adjusting human image or sun image, so like that you will get the effect. Like this we can edit your thumbnails with effectively. So here one more thing I am going to add, so that is my channel logo. So just by using remove background AI enabled option, just the background was removed, and by resizing it, so just choose your desired location to place it. So next one more option, themes. So that is the themes option. So it is an excellent option. So by selecting desired theme, so your thumbnail will communicate with a large users, so large audience. So after modifications, just click on download option, then your thumbnail will be downloaded. So look at this. so how clear it is. So next, one more thing in a social media, so that is the Instagram. So here we are going to edit, we are going to create Instagram reels or Instagram story, so very easily. So here I am showing how to create Instagram reel within minutes. So here one pre-designed Instagram reel selected. I am editing that reel. So just by changing the elements of the so Instagram reel. So here previously existed one image will be replaced by one dog image. So I am placing it and I am editing that. Just I am removing the background of that dog image. So then it looks to be so very excellent. So like this, the remaining effects will be like that only. So say previously pre-designed effect will be available. Just we can change the elements of the design. So we can change the text styles, text colors, and image elements, so like that. So if you want to add the any animations, we can add the animations also. Just I am selecting text color here. So next I am playing it, so how it will be. Next one more element is here, so that is some sun and something universe element is there. I am replacing it there with one more image. So this image I am selecting, so that image placed here just by using remove background option. So the background will be removed. So then resize it, so whatever part you want, so just choose that part to place in a desired location. So then now play it again, so how the effect will be. So look at the, so like this, after modifications of all elements, so just click on download, then your reel will be downloaded. So then you can see how it is. So it is a very easy process to create a reels within a minutes, very less time it will take to create your professional look Instagram reels. So one more thing I am showing to you, so that is how to edit the image. So your images will be edited here very easily and within less amount of time. So here one image I took, and here one more AI generated option is there, AI powered option is there, that is generative fill. So just here I am trying to add some elements to my image. So by using this generative fill option, so I added so stylish specs to the dog. So just we need to create a description of the so that generative fill, then whatever change you want to get, so that will be added to your image. So one more thing I am doing here, so just I need to change the background color. So I am selecting total background here. So after selecting total background, you need to describe so which type of effect you need to add. So here I need to add some forest effect, like a trees at the back side of so these pets. So see here the generative fill, AI generative fill given some images. So which one we like, so just we can use it and we can keep it, so like this. So further if we want to any modifications, so we can so add the modifications. So here, so that is incomplete dog pet is there, so I want to remove that. So just in a description box I am given the command remove, so that area will be so removed very easily. After giving that, we need to click on generate option. So whenever we are clicking on remove button, so the total area will be removed.